गोविन्द राधे।
यदा यदा हि धर्मस्य ग्लानिर्भवति भारत अभ्युत्थानम् अधर्मस्य तदात्मानं सृजाम्यहम् परित्राणाय साधूनां विनाशाय च दुष्कृतां धर्म संस्थापनार्थाय संभवामि युगे युगे. Shri Krishna himself has declared in Bhagavad Gita that whenever there will be a harm to righteousness, I will come. I will come to reinstate dharma, punish the wrongdoers and protect the righteous. So why wouldn't he come when there was rupturing of faith and devotion by Mughals, Afghans or other similar rulers? As promised, Shri Krishna came when there was decline of knowledge, there was decline of bhakti, and above all there was decline of Harinam. But this time he came draped as a devotee of Shri Krishna himself, in the mood of Radharani, and we all know him as Chaitanya Mahaprabhu. He was called Chaitanya due to his work towards gaining and directing the public towards God consciousness and deeper thinking. Chaitanya Mahaprabhu was born on February 18, 1486 in Mayapur, Nadia, Bengal, India, to Jagannath Mishra and Sachi Devi. His birth name was Vishwambhar Mishra, but he had many other names like Nimai, as called by his mother because he was born near a neem tree. He was also called as Gaurang due to his Gaur complexion, which means golden colored. From his birth, Mahaprabhuji was highly inclined to Harinam and had decided very early on that he would service to spread the name of the Lord. At the age of 16, on a trip to Gaya, everything changed for him when he started his Sankirtan of Harinam on the streets with his host. That created some great vibrations and feelings across different regions of India. At the age of 24, Mahaprabhuji took to sannyas, renounced order of life under the guidance of Keshav Bharati at Katwa. He then surrendered himself in propagating the Hare Krishna Mahamantra and spreading the signs of Krishna. Like we told you earlier, Mahaprabhuji is an incarnation of Sri Krishna with love of Radharani. So one of his biggest mission was to spread the love for Sri Krishna among the people of India. And when we talk about such a love, we have to come to Vrindavan Dham. Vrindavan is the place where the loving exchanges of Radha Krishna took place. It is the place of Krishna's Bal-Leelas. It is the place where bhakti is seated deeply. A place where people can experience divine love. A place where Radha Krishna are said to be present even today. Vrindavan is not just a place. Vrindavan is a bhav. It is a feeling of immense love and bhakti towards Radha Krishna, which is Mahaprabhuji himself. So, when the awareness and different Leela places went missing for the people, which means the Bhakti Bhav went missing among the people in general, that is when Chaitanya Mahaprabhu came, along with his different associates, to spread Bhakti and bring back Vrindavan in its full essence. Stay tuned for the next episode, where we get to know Vrindavan a little more through the eyes of different Bhakts and their experiences with Radha Krishna Ji. Like and share this video with your family and friends and let us know in comments what is Vrindavan for you. Subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon to never miss a story from My Krishna Reads. Thank you.